What if I told you that by 2025, the factory floors you know are being reinvented by an invisible force? Imagine machines predicting their own failures and supply chains optimizing themselves in real time. This isn't science fiction, it's the Industrial Revolution powered by AI, and its predictive capabilities are set to reshape everything. This isn't just about making things faster, it's about making them smarter, more resilient, and ultimately, more sustainable. Today, we're diving deep into the future of industry, a future that's arriving sooner than you think. Let's start with a concept that's getting a major upgrade. Predictive maintenance 2.0. We've moved far beyond simple alerts when something goes wrong. We're now in the era of deep learning, where AI can analyze incredibly complex systems. Think about it, AI models are now integrating vast amounts of data, real-time sensor readings from machinery, historical performance records, even external factors like weather patterns or supply chain disruptions. The result? Hyper-accurate forecasts that can predict potential failures with astonishing precision. Companies in aerospace and heavy manufacturing are already using this to achieve near-zero unscheduled outages. That means less downtime, massive cost savings, and safer working environments. It's not just about fixing what's broken, it's about preventing it from breaking in the first place. But AI's predictive power extends far beyond individual machines. It's revolutionizing resource optimization and sustainability on a massive scale. Consider smart grids. AI is the brain that balances the fluctuating demands of a city with the variable supply from renewable energy sources, ensuring power is used efficiently and waste is minimized. Or look at agriculture. AI-powered systems analyze soil data, weather forecasts, and satellite imagery to tell farmers exactly when and where to water, fertilize, or harvest. This optimizes crop yields while conserving precious resources like water. By making our industrial processes this intelligent, AI is directly helping us reduce our carbon footprint and build a more sustainable model for production. It's about doing more with less, which is a win for both businesses and the planet. So, what does the future hold as we look toward 2025 and beyond? This is where it gets really exciting. We're on the cusp of using generative AI to design and simulate entirely new industrial processes before a single piece of equipment is even built. Imagine designing a factory that is optimized for efficiency and sustainability from its digital blueprint. This is being made possible by AI-powered digital twins, virtual real-time models of entire factories or even whole supply chains. These digital twins don't just mirror the present, they predict the future, allowing us to test scenarios and make adjustments on the fly. This will lead to the emergence of self-optimizing industrial environments where systems learn and adapt with minimal human intervention, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Navigating this AI-powered industrial revolution is the next great challenge for every business leader and worker. It's not about replacing humans, but about augmenting our abilities. The focus must shift to upskilling the workforce, preparing people for new roles that involve collaborating with these advanced AI systems, roles that require critical thinking, creativity, and strategic oversight. Of course, we also need to address the ethical side of things. How do we ensure data privacy is protected? How do we prevent algorithmic bias from creeping into our industrial decision-making? These are crucial conversations we need to have. The key is to start now. Begin by identifying small, high-impact areas where predictive analytics can make a difference in your operations. Start experimenting, start learning, and prepare to be a part of this incredible transformation. The future of industry is predictive, and it's happening right now. Thank you so much for joining me on this look into the future. If you found this insightful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content on how technology is shaping our world. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next one.